How does a hands-on career sound where you can help others with one of their best assets, their smiles? Launch your dental assisting career through Charter College in less than a year. Campus President Heather Allen joins us with all the info. Thanks for being here.
Yes, our dentists utilize our dentist assistants to help provide specialized patient care. So Charter College Certificate in Dental Assisting program will help prepare you for a great career. During the program, you'll learn office procedures, lab and clinical instruction, chairside assisting procedures, including infection control and treatment procedures, and you'll have the opportunity to enjoy a 180-hour externship at a local dentist office or clinic. And the whole program is 10 months, and we do have a year-round flexible schedule available.
Enjoy a career to smile about. Start your dental assisting career at Charter College, and we want to help get you to work. Learn more at chartercollege.edu.